Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn 100 commonly used English phrases. So, let's start the video. He is very arrogant. He is very arrogant. Don't pretend in front of me. Don't pretend in front of me. I can't stand it any longer. I can't stand it any longer. Do you need my help now? Do you need my help now? Don't make fun of him. Don't make fun of him. He is so skinny. He is so skinny. Does my house look small to you? Does my house look small to you? That's the way. That's the way. What a shame. What a shame. Don't exaggerate. Don't exaggerate. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Do you have school today? Do you have school today? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Don't disturb my mind. Don't disturb my mind. Just a little more. Just a little more. Do you like working here? Do you like working here? Let me see. Let me see. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. Have you seen Peter today? Have you seen Peter today? Does this car have airbags? Does this car have airbags? It's a big deal for me. It's a big deal for me. Please get in. Please get in. Move out of my way. Move out of my way. I feel much better. I feel much better. Don't tell me all this. Don't tell me all this. Nobody came. Nobody came. He has lost his mind. He has lost his mind. Drop me home. Drop me home. The truth is always bitter. The truth is always bitter. Do you want to do this course? Do you want to do this course? He died a long time ago. He died a long time ago. You need to remain calm. You need to remain calm. Do you want to know what it is? Do you want to know what it is? He is still angry with me. He is still angry with me. I don't like him at all. I don't like him at all. Don't overeat. Don't overeat. It's useless to argue with you. It's useless to argue with you. Do you have any vacancies? Do you have any vacancies? You have no match. You have no match. Happy belated birthday. Happy belated birthday. She began to laugh. She began to laugh. Do you have the shirt in blue? Do you have the shirt in blue? The fault was yours, not mine. The fault was yours, not mine. He belongs to a poor family. He belongs to a poor family. Have you finished your studies? Have you finished your studies? When did this happen? When did this happen? He has a headache. He has a headache. Do you like the smell of rain? Do you like the smell of rain? Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Did you hear? Did you hear? Keep a seat for me. Keep a seat for me. Have you understood everything? Have you understood everything? He broke his leg last week. He broke his leg last week. You will regret it later. You will regret it later. Who cares? Who cares? Did your job interview go well? Did your job interview go well? May you live long. May you live long. Could I speak to John, please? Could I speak to John, please? You are so dull. You are so dull. He fell off his bike yesterday. He fell off his bike yesterday. This had to happen. This had to happen. He died at the age of 80. He died at the age of 80. What nonsense! What nonsense! How could you forget my birthday? How could you forget my birthday? I can't wait. I can't wait. Do you have time for coffee? Do you have time for coffee? He insisted on my going there. He insisted on my going there. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Does he have a flat in the apartment? Does he have a flat in the apartment? He is an experienced teacher. He is an experienced teacher. Stay within your limits. Stay within your limits. Don't give him this much freedom. Don't give him this much freedom. I don't mean it. I don't mean it. How will you go? How will you go? Don't gimmick too much. Don't gimmick too much. I have a mild fever. I have a mild fever. Do you remember when you bought it? Do you remember when you bought it? My mobile is kept on the table. My mobile is kept on the table. I stood first in the class. I stood first in the class. It's very kind of you. It's very kind of you. She surprised me. She surprised me. What should I do? What should I do? Why are you like this? Why are you like this? Do you want me to remind you? Do you want me to remind you? It's a sin. It's a sin. Does it have any side effects? Does it have any side effects? It's not like that. It's not like that. I am sure. I am sure. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? It's useless to argue with you. It's useless to argue with you. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Where did you go? Where did you go? Has the party started yet? Has the party started yet? Doctor, I have a pain in my ankle. Doctor, I have a pain in my ankle. He asked me if I need a job. He asked me if I need a job. Does it fit your pocket? Does it fit your pocket? Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. Do you think he will help you? Do you think he will help you? I did nothing of this sort. I did nothing of this sort. He played a prominent part in the campaign. He played a prominent part in the campaign. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my new videos.